What's up my people? How una dey? Wetin dey sup? Yeah, today I go like make we talk about airdrop. Airdrop na one of the easiest way to make money for crypto for free. But before we talk about airdrop, make we do little recap on market. You see, the crypto market never settle yet and we never ready for bull market for now. We still dey bear market. So if you dey trade or you dey do anything for the market, try dey use your risk management and know wetin you dey do. Shey you understand? Na my own financial advice be that. Always do your own research for any project wey you dey aim on. Now today make we talk about crypto airdrop. Wetin be this crypto airdrop? Crypto airdrop na the way wey new projects dey use market themselves, advertise themselves for investor to come invest on their project. Shey you get? Na just simple definition be that. Now how you fit get this airdrop? Many ways to go about airdrop. One, dem fit talk say make you do little tax by retweeting their post, their page, and by following them. Na one be that. After you do that, dem fit talk say make you refer people to their social media so that dem go fit discover them. Okay, another way dey again to earn airdrop. We get some token. Make we use Binance and Ethereum for example. Maybe if you stake your Ethereum on top Uniswap, you stake am there. Any project wey wan launch on top Ethereum, dem fit talk say anybody wey don stake Ethereum on top Uniswap, dem go get this their token for free. Yeah, e get amount wey dem go allocate for you. That one sef dey. Same thing for Binance. Sometimes if you stake your Binance, if any coin wan drop on top Binance, dem fit talk say anybody wey stake Binance token, dem go get few of this token for free. Na another way be that. Now e get, you know say no matter how one thing wan good, you go always get bad side of it. No be all airdrop dey always dey legit. Make you note that. Two, airdrop dey always free. Na free. Anything airdrop na free. Any airdrop wey you dey do wey dem don dey ask you say make you use so amount to claim am, run. And again, before you claim airdrop, try dey do your research well. Follow up with the project, because some airdrop na scam. Dem just wan hack your wallet. Make you know the kind of website wey you dey put your info on top before you go about am. So na my own little send be that. If you still wan know more about airdrop, join our community through the link wey dey our bio. Yeah, thank you. We dey always drop update there wella about airdrop and how you fit go about am. Thank you.